Nominate your rock stars of cleaning today. In every organization, there are remarkable individuals who work tirelessly to ensure safe and healthy spaces for all. These unsung heroes, our custodians, deserve to be recognized for their outstanding contributions. It's time to nominate them for the prestigious Rock Star Custodian Award, presented annually in February. This national honor celebrates the exceptional custodian who embodies the 9 key personality traits outlined in the Rock Star Custodian program. Join us in acknowledging and honoring these rock stars of cleaning by submitting your nominations before the October 30th deadline. The Rock Star Custodian Award is a fantastic opportunity to recognize and celebrate the exceptional custodians who go above and beyond in their cleaning duties. Their dedication, professionalism, and remarkable personality traits deserve our heartfelt appreciation. Don't miss the chance to nominate your rock stars of cleaning. Together, let's express our gratitude, raise awareness about their significant contributions, and inspire others to recognize and honor the remarkable custodians in their lives. Let's celebrate the excellence in custodial services and give these rock stars the recognition they truly deserve. Nominate your rock stars of cleaning today by clicking on the link below.